Hey, how's it going, everybody? Newcastle Ninja here, and what I have for you today is one I have been waiting to get my hands on ever since I saw it become available from my email notification from White Mountain Knives, which you can do if you ever see something on their site and you want to see when it comes in stock. They're pretty fast about letting you know. So, yeah, this here is the Kansept Entity, and it is fantastic. Everything I was hoping it would be, honestly. We've got a overall of 8.11 inches, and the blade is 3.50 inches. So 3.5 inch blade is pretty much one of my favorites, as well as an 8-inch knife altogether. Blade thickness is 0.138 inches, so 13. And we've got a handle width of 0.49 inches, so it's less than a half inch. The whole thing has got a really nice milled, comfortable, contoured titanium handle here. And the weight is 4.55 ounces, which, for what you're getting here, I am totally satisfied with. This is a Nalu Design, and this does also come available in other types of finishes, and we got ones with like a divot right here, which I guess you could call like a harpoon type. You've got the satin, which this is. You have ones that have a bead blast, which does have the harpoon there. You have ones that are in a Damascus finish, as well as a darker or black handle. This old sword did a great video of that, and as well as you have ones with the black blade, also black blade, black handle, and with the divot and so forth. But this is the one I've been wanting to get a hold of, and it reminds me of a knife that I have and love, that I've really, as soon as I saw it, I was like, man, this reminds me so much of the CH3504. And you can see some similarities here. This is the titanium, but this is also available in G10 and D2. But great knife, but this even has a wider blade. And man, what a great blade that is. It is so sharp, and just, I think, pretty much up to doing anything for tasks. Another knife that this reminded me to think about was another one I have, which is the Tucson TS177. And if you happen to have this one or the 3504, you can see this is a pretty decent sized knife. I was afraid that it was going to be like too small, but this is actually just right. So yeah, this does share some similarities. If you happen to have this 177, you may notice that I took the liberties of modifying the handle just a little bit, so don't worry about that. Another one for a size comparison for a nice blade is this Beluga by Petrified Fish, as well as the Civivi Riffle. And yeah, this is a good sized knife, and I am loving it. It is super sharp. If you want to see some blade cutting, I'll show you. Yeah, it is razor sharp, hair popping, smooth, very beautiful satin finish on there. And I'll let you just get a closer look of everything here. Yep. So there you go. It is the Entity S35vn. See if you can see that. And on the other side, where it is, there's the Entity, and there's Nalu's signature. Yep. So yeah, this is a keeper. There you go, S35vn. And you got some really nice milling in there, which they've done like a polish with inside of those divots. And yep, you've got some nice milling on the inside for weight relief. And I've seen some people talking about this pocket clip, I guess not being in love with it. Yes, it is only right side tip up carry, which of course is my preference, but it too has a nice stone wash on there. So it really, I think, goes well with it. It's nice and springy, and it's a strong, decent clip. You've got a blue spacer around that pivot, and you've got some perfect lockup, I think, as well as perfect centering. So yeah, there you go. Also like the jimping that's done on here. Got a very strong lock spacer there. But man, nice thwack to it. Very, very comfortable. The index finger just fits perfectly there. These digits fit right here. The whole thing, I think, is just going to be one that's going to be seeing a lot of time in my pocket, and I'm quite happy about that. So I'll give you one last look here. We do have a titanium back spacer, and the rest is open pillar. You only got that milling on that one side, but that's all right. Something for your fingers to get a hold of. But the whole thing just really locks into place. It's super nice. Very, very pleased with this one. And yeah, you can just hear that action. And with a little shake, yeah, that's pretty nice. Yep, I love it. Glad I got it. And right now I do see that they're currently out of stock on White Mountain knives, but if you happen to use that email, let me know when it's in stock, and you use a discount code from different other YouTubers, you can get that 10% off of it. This one here I believe is $186, which would take it down to $167.40, I think. And really, for what you're getting for this beautiful S35vn steel, titanium handle, excellent constructed knife, and I'm thinking a great everyday carry as well, you're getting your money's worth. So there you go. That is the Kansept Entity, and this is the satin and titanium version. I'm Newcastle Ninja. Hope you liked the video. If you do, please feel free to give me a good old thumbs up. Love to hear your comments, and you are welcome to subscribe, and I shall see you on the next one. Take care.